Let's see how we can place this big machine onto this small desk. Hello and welcome back, my viewers. It was about time we got here to this real dinosaur of the typewriter world. I'm not sure what year this is from, but it was certainly made in Erfurt, as the inscription on the front shows. In fact, this inscription is one of the most valuable things about this machine, as I'm not sure if Olympia continued to manufacture this model in Wilhelmshaven. In any case, the remarkable things about this machine is that it has not changed significantly for more than 20 years of its long production in the 30s, 40s and until the early 50s. It is also found under the AEG brand. One of, if not the most memorable typewriters ever. In 1938 it was also available with a flat surface on the sides similar to the Torpedo 6 and Olympia M8, but my model is one of the more popular ones with rounded sides. However, one thing has remained with both series and has always been with the Model 8, and that is the special ribbons located on the sides instead on the top. This is actually one of the biggest problems with this particular machine, since the mechanism for rotating the ribbons when typing does not work and they have to be rotated manually every few words, which is terribly inconvenient. Another reason why I did not stay long on the M8 was that at times the carriage would get stuck in the lower position and the shift would not work, and some capital letters could not be printed apparently due to incorrect carriage settings. Also, there are 3 major cracks of the body at the back. Quite a few problems in one place. At the moment, I cannot find a solution to any of these problems, but if not as a working machine, then it is undoubtedly extremely valuable as an interior exhibit, but I will continue to look for a way to fix it, or maybe buy another one. This needs a major restoration. Let's see the keyboard. At first, the well-known rounded keys like on the Olympia Progress and SM1, Optima Elite 1 and 2, Olympia and Optima Pana and Optima M10. To the left and right of the spacebar are the typical taps repeated in some of the Progress, Optima and Olympia Pana and Optima 2 and 3. There is also a third tab up here in the usual place for the margin release key. It itself is located here on the right. Pressure and transmission switches on the left and color switch on the right. The top panel can be removed with a few bolts here, here, here and here. I really like the way the levers stick out from the sides of the carriage. The paper release on the right, the gear release on the left, the line spacing, the bar, the large lever. If we turn the machine from the back, we will see the exposed mechanisms, also the metal cover of the service opening. There are other M8 with transparent plastic. My one is with a metal door. It can be seen that here, as with most antique machines such as Continental and Ideal, the margins here are not on the carriage but on the machine itself, which is why they are mirrored. The left one is a limiter for the end of the line and the right one for the beginning. Despite its era, this machine looks impressively small and elegant, but you may change your mind about how massive it is when you pick it up and feel how heavy it is. The typing sensation is interesting and like no other compared to the other machines I have typed on. The keys type extremely lightly without creating vibrations, and with those massive wooden feet and its heavy weight, the machine remains stationary even with the most energetic typing. I will definitely continue to look for a way to repair it and return it to full working order. Antique, historical and charming, this is the Olympia M8. Share your opinions in the comments and we will see you again next week.